2 of the Tire Technology Expo in Hannover 2026. I'm here with Harsh from BKT Carbon. How are you, Harsh?
I'm good. How are you, Martin?
I'm very well. I'm happy to do the video. Last time I filmed with Himanshu, and that was in Düsseldorf, and that was a plastics fair. That was the K fair.
Right.
And now we're on the tire fair. What do you bring to the tire fair? What kind of carbon blacks do you bring? Certainly the ASTM grade.
Yeah, K show basically was from all plastic, all wire and cable, all specialty segment. Here we are for tire rubber blacks. So yes, we do have all the ASTM blacks like N-series blacks in our portfolio. We have added few other grades like MRG or TRG, whatever you say. We have
like
all the
clean extrusion grades.
Yes, exactly. And also we have some customized product based on customer requirement. And yes, of course, we are open to have a partnership with customer as per their requirement. That's why here we have the your success is our priority. That's our logo.
What else? How has been your fair?
So far it is good, and we have a lot of customer engagement. We're here in the booth and we have discussed a lot. We have understood really well in customer perspective what they are wanting from us and exactly what are the requirements nowadays. People are coming with their sustainability part, and that's well suited for a new era. Like you have EV segment, you have multiple segments and coming up with the different requirement and for different customers. But yes, we do have all the understanding on that, and we have very good engagement with the customer.
Now remind me, for sustainability, Harsh, what is your offer at BKT Carbon for sustainability? You have like a circular carbon blacks as well. What do you offer in terms of green carbon blacks?
Yes, see, Martin, if we talk about sustainability, sustainability doesn't come alone. It is not just to changing the raw material or just having a different carbon black. So if you talk about RCB, it has their own space. I will not say it's substitution. I will say it complement, right? So it has their own space. But for us, yes, sustainability has different meaning. That how we are going to come with different solutions for the customer. When we talk about sustainability, of course it is ESG, of course it should be product performance, and durability is very important for our business. So yes, I'm just presenting in a paper on the sustainability part on the carbon black. So it's tomorrow an afternoon session on that.
When are you presenting tomorrow?
Yeah, it's
maybe we can do the video in time.
Yeah, sure. It's 1 p.m. Afternoon session, and it's engineering sustainability of reinforcement material.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Thank you, Harsh.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much for coming.
What is the next big show, conference, or trade fair where we will meet?
We will announce soon on the official website.
Maybe are you going to Carbon Black World in Shanghai? Maybe
we will announce it soon on the official website. Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and have a great fair.
Thank you so much. Thank you.